Inspiration time. Most of the ventilators offer either an ability to change absolute inspiratory time in seconds or an ability to change inspiratory to expiratory ratio. So what can we do if we are given desired inspiratory is to expiratory ratio and we are asked to set inspiratory time? So we have formula for inspiratory time, which is I divided by I plus E multiplied by 60 divided by RR, where I is the inspiratory phase and E is the expiratory phase. If desired IE ratio is 1:2, then we will put I equals to 1 and D equals to 2 in the formula. Similarly, if desired IE ratio is 1:3, then we will put I equals to 1 and E is equals to 3.